Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech Talks with Manju. So today we're going to discuss about how to create an automation with the very basic tools by not writing any of the single line of a code. So you can generate a specific code and you can try to utilize the same thing to create an automation. So for that, we're going to use the AI tool, and here we are going to use the GitHub Copilot. And the prerequisites are you should have a Visual Studio Code installed with the extension of GitHub Copilot, GitHub Copilot Chat, and GitHub Copilot for Azure. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna create a very basic uh, PowerShell script here, and I will not write a single code. So I'll start with a very basic, code generation, adding two numbers, add two numbers. So if you're gonna just give that particular prompt, so it will try to create a specific code for you, and it will ask whether it is accepted or not, all these codes. So you just have, if you have any of the additions for your particular code, you can give that. So I would like to show the output in HTML. I'll try to add that specific line here. Click enter. So it'll try to show those outputs into your HTML file. So likewise, you can just create a specific script and you will be able to run those scripts easily. So if you want to run this, you can just go ahead and run this, and I'm sure it is gonna run properly here. Okay, so when you're trying, you just have to save this again, and you should be able to run the script wherever it is located right now. So now I don't want to run this. We will go ahead and see the other demonstration of the codes. Okay, so let's generate a code with respect to the Azure one. Okay, so now what I want to create a script for a Azure automation. So I'm gonna create a specific virtual machine with the VNet, and I will take in help of a copilot to generate that specific code. Okay, so the my request would be the first step would be I'll request a subscription login. Okay, and I'm gonna create a VNet. So I'm gonna create that in the East US. So it's gonna take a default value and default subnet name, and I'm gonna create a VM. Okay, so I am requesting VM to be created under that specific VNet. Okay, so if you see here, basically it is trying to develop a code which has the resource group, virtual network, and then that specific virtual network should have a public IP address to access. If I can just eliminate it, I can just give that, or I can just eliminate manually here in the code, and you have a ready script to particularly create a virtual machine under your subscription, and it has been automatically given by the specific copilot. So this is how you can create a particular automations, even though if you don't know much of a PowerShell script. Okay, so there might be small changes, and you might have to do it with respect to your specifications. And the more and more clarity you're going to give it to the Copilot will help you to get the specific codes out of it. Yeah. If you have any queries, just comment down. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll connect again. Have a great day ahead.